Welcome to another room review. We are here at the Mandarin Oriental in Washington DC. We love bringing you these hotel and room reviews so that you know what to expect when you're planning your own vacations. So if you've stayed at a Mandarin Oriental before, comment below with the word orange. And don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go check out that room. So this is room 424 and this is a king suite. Let's check it out. So you enter the living room through the long hallway, and the living room itself is quite lovely and elegant looking, lovely decor, and little welcome strawberries. All of the lights are operated through this unit here, which makes it a lot easier than trying to find light switches everywhere. Something I've always noticed, we've stayed in a lot of suites, and when I look back at the videos, the suites never look quite as big as they are. This is a really large suite. So over here, you have some shelving units, and below you will find some more shelves. There's lots of shelves, lots of storage in these rooms, so if you're staying in DC for any extended period of time, you will have lots of places to store your stuff. In here, below the TV, you will find your minibar. So you have lots of options. This is one of the weighted minibars, so if you take something out, they know you've taken it and you will be charged. And there's not really any space to keep anything extra if you have your own drinks, but you can order an extra fridge to be delivered to the room. And your desk area, you have actually 2 chairs and a nice size work area. Mandarin Oriental, and they still give you pens. Notice a lot of the hotels will skimp out and they will give you pencils. So that is nice. And should you want in-room dining, let's check out what they have. I look back at the videos and I think, wow, that suite actually seems a little small, and they're quite large. So to demonstrate this as an example, Doug's going to jump in and show you the actual size of the TV. It's a large screen TV.
This TV could be yours if you comment below and guess my birthday.
It's not really going to be your TV, but still comment below and guess his birthday. So from here, the living room area, you have 2 entrances to the bedroom, 1 door and 2 doors. So let's go through this side. Beautiful bedroom area. Like I said, the decor in here is soft, elegant, very lovely. They do turn down service. Next to the bed, you have another lighting system here so that you can function all the lights from the bed. You have your telephone, they give you water, and of course, more notepads. Lovely king-size bed. Little seating area off to the side. And we will check out this view in the morning. And the daytime. This is what the room looks like. You got huge windows, lots of sun. So this window here faces out the front. So that's the front of the hotel right there. Another big screen TV in the bedroom, same size as the one in the living room. Big screen. Lovely room. So here you have your closets, which I'll show you, that are next to a huge mirror. Closets themselves. Huge closet. A luggage rack. One of the robes is here. You'll find the other one in the bathroom. You have your, ironing board, iron, which I'm not going to use. I will have somebody else iron them. But you can have laundry service done. And Of course, all the nice hotels usually have like things to take care of your shoes. You have extra pillows should you need them. Next to the bedroom and closet area is the bathroom. Lots of towels. Here you will find all your little extras. This cute little drawer, which is really nice. Toiletries. So they actually still have the small toiletries right now, but I do believe they are doing away with them soon. But for now, you have the little individualized toiletries. Here is the tub. It's huge, huge tub. Does not have the little bar that goes across for shaving your legs for the ladies, but that's okay. It's huge in here. You have your toiletries. And then this is the toilet area with a phone over here as well. And you have a scale. So from this way, you're back out into the living room area. Oh, hey, there's Doug, working away. Wasn't that room great? We also are going to show you around the hotel. We're going to show you the pool, the fitness center, we're going to check out the club lounge, and we're going to head down to breakfast. So while we're heading down to breakfast, you click that subscribe button, and then you're going to see all of our great videos. We've got lots more to come. So click that subscribe, and let's go check out breakfast. We're going to go check out the club lounge and see what they have for breakfast. So we're at the club lounge. We're going to see what they have to offer for breakfast. Certain rooms within the hotel offer club lounge access. So let's check it out. Scrambled eggs and omelette eggs. A cute little patio outside. How cute is this? Okay, afternoons. They have Doug's favorite time. Mr. Doug, what do they have over here?
We have both Coca-Cola And M&M's.
Look at these treats. It's Halloween every day. Check this out. Bananas for me, pears for me, candies for Doug. Nice. We have coffee. Oh, coffee drinks. So you can come get water, drinks, and get your Lavazza coffee.
We're going to breakfast now. It's included with our room. Let's go check it out.
Nice buffet. Pancakes. Nice presentation. Oatmeal. Basically, it's a larger selection of what they have up in the club room. The smell is beautiful down here. So you go through the spa to get to the pool. Beautiful area. You got a little gym area. We've got lots of equipment. Sweetie, you gonna work out today?
Yeah, I'm gonna work out in the bar.
But lots of good stuff, right? You're more the gym
Yeah, this is nice equipment.
Yeah. So you can come and work out and do your spawing, then have a swim. Also too, it's always nice. Look, you've got some apples, you have flavored water, you have cold towels, water, regular towels. That's a nice little extra benefit too. What do we have here? Oh, look, and they also have disposable headphones, so when you forget yours, you can use theirs. That's really nice. Very pretty down here. Ooh, and it overlooks the river. How beautiful is that?
We hope you really liked this video. If so, click the like button below and comment.
And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.